So then, fishing buddies, welcome back to the channel. On this video you'll join me on the beautiful River DEARN. In this video you will see me use the method feeder, see how I got on with that, and also carry on stick floating down the river. Please watch to the end of the video as it's 700 subscriber prize giveaway. I'd like to thank every one of you for taking time out of your day and giving us your support. As we have just hit 800 subscribers, we will be having another free prize draw, so stay tuned for that. This is a tutorial video so you can find out how to fish a new venue, especially fishing rivers as a beginner or learning how to fish new rivers. Stay tuned, tight lines, and good luck in the free prize draw. So sit back and relax and enjoy the video. Without further ado, let's get on with the fishing side. You can see that nice overhanging tree, I think, that chub will be sat under there. Just hooked into a nice chub. Get my net ready. Got it. There you go. Nice chub, about half a pound. We'll drop him in, landing net, put him back in. Go on, mate. Thank you. Go another trot down. It's really slow flowing at this bit. Just put a few maggots in, just trotting it down really slowly. You can see there's some overhanging trees. See the way chub hang about. Really slow. Not fast flowing like other parts that I've fished. There you go, got another fish. Big enough I can swing it in. It's just a small enough. Another little chub. Beautiful little fish. So I'm going to drop him in landing net to let him go back down. Not going to drop him from all the way up here. He's gone. So as I said, you're looking for features. I'm actually in the river and you can see these trees. It's not very deep where I am, but it deepens off there, so I've put a few maggots in. Let them trot down and then I'll trot it behind it. I've had to shell her right up. I might be able to pick a fish up. Had a bite, then it could be bottom. I say it's really shallow. That's where I think chub would be. That may be bottom. Or minnows. Fed up with minnows. Just trotting past them trees. Had a few trots. I think that's a minnow. Yeah. Or baby chub. Oh, there you go. Baby chub. Chublet. There you go, put him back in. There you go, mate. So I'm going to walk a bit further down, keep walking, finding new swims. Just hooked into a fish. What's this one? Oh, nice sized dace. Lovely. Take a look at a second. Got me a duck because of mosquitoes. Come here, mate. There you go. Lovely days. Here you go, mate. Just put that dace back in. The problem is one slip and a mint drink. I have a tendency to fall in rivers, losing my cameras and stuff. Last thing I want to be doing. Getting bit by mosquitoes. A beautiful swim further down. I don't know if I'm going to have time to get there. The fish is much longer. So first things first, put the full casters in. I'm going to trot this just behind it. I've shalloted it up a bit. Let's put a worm on. Just going to truss it down. I might have to go into the river. I'm just going to start trotting in edge first so I don't disturb it. Around the tree. A couple of trots down first, then I'm going to stand in the river a little bit. Mending my line. I do not want to be traipsing in there and scaring that. If there's any fish under my feet. You see, water's still a bit coloured, so there might be one or two in edge. Right, there's a tree snagged there, so I'm gonna have to go in. Bear with me 1 second. So I've safely managed to get into water. Always test depth before you get in. Just trotting that float down. There's a little knock then if they're at bottom. That was a definite bite, that. There you go. Missed it, whatever it were. I've had to get in because there's a snag. And I'm going to get tangled on it. It's the last thing I want to do. Still trotting it down. Watching my footing as if I move. And float's going. So it's going to be out of sight for a couple of seconds. You can see it. There's a branch that's hanging in water. That could have been bottom because it shallows up there. You can see it's sunlight. Does it again, a bit bottom. Yeah, could have been bottom that. So, I'm going to edge a little bit deeper out. There we go. Little chub that time. Oh, come here, mate. Just lost my worm. Yeah, beautiful little chub. And try a little bit of bread. Quick release. I want a quick go down with bread and just pull it bread off. So I'm going to try another worm. And what I usually do when I snap my worm, if I snap my worm in half, I put my other half in my little maggot pouch. Ready for the next cast. So I'll trot this down. So what I'm doing, I've this last trot down on worm. I'm getting hammered again with minnows. So the better fish on and lost it. It'll come off. I have this last trot down with worm. Like I said, I've not got a lot of worms. I'm going to 5 minutes in that whirlpool a bit further up for myself. and see if I can get one out of there, and then I'm going to try putting a bigger bait on. Have 20 minutes sat down, half an hour, put something like sweet corn on or something on that method feeder. Yeah, it's just going under. I'm getting plenty of bites. Getting plenty of bites, but the only problem is it's minnows, I think. So what I'm going to do now, I've made this really solid mix up. I do not want this coming off, like I say, it's just come out of flood, so it'll wash away this. So I've made it so it's going to stick to the method feeder. A few bits of corn in there, some micro pellets, some small pellets, and try this, and it should still break down. I'm going to try it with sweet corn, I think, because I'm getting plagued with minnows. So let's see how we get on. So I'm going to do my feeder. Put a bit on my feeder to start off with. Get this piece of corn and big hook I've got. And hook it through the side. Bury it up. I'll push that in a little bit. Get a bit more ground bait. Just going to let's just throw this in this swirl pool here and put it about down here somewhere and just leave it. I'll put it in. Banks are terrible. Absolutely terrible trying to get the idle back in anything, so now I can sit down, have a drink, have 20 minutes watching that. The reason I've used method feeder is obviously it being quite coloured. I want to find the bait a lot easier. There's a lot more coloured water than there were the other week. So that's why I've used method feeder. Keep getting little knocks on the corn. Could be liners. I've had a few knocks on worm as well. So sadly, we've not had a out-on feeder on from this swim. I'm losing light. I've literally got an hour left with the light, so I've got a problem with crayfish down here as well. Had a couple of crayfish. Obviously they've been dispatched. So what I'm doing now, moving on to the next peg. So if I'm joins down there, and so I can get up from there, and then I might have a go at stick float in the last little swim I've seen. Hey up fishing buddies, fancy seeing you lot here. Hope you're enjoying the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below. So you're joining on last swim, lovely looking trot. Trying to get it, but the County Fruit Farmers field, that's this side, so you have to go from the other side and work your way down, so it took quite a bit of time to get there. So we're going to have 20 minutes and then we're going to get off. So hopefully I can get a better fish. Looks fish, yeah. So see what we can do. So first drop down, I've just hit up some minnow. I hope it's not something that's going to keep happening. bite then. You never know till you fish it. Soften it down. Open and brain smack minnows. Back on worm, and I'm getting bit to max with mozzies. Looks beautiful. And that with a bite then. Sorry if the camera keeps moving, I'm trying to strike at the same time as holding the camera. I think it's minnow sitter. Whatever that word a big fish. I think it's tight. Smashed the float that was. There you go, it jumped again, look. Don't know what that is. I reckon it's a trout. Come up to the float twice. That is a belter. The size of that. Hang on. Simmer down. Size of that for the minnow. That is huge. That is massive. For the minnow, that is huge. There you go. Huge. Biggest minnow I've ever seen. Away he goes. Might have been a record, that one. I've had hundreds of these. That's a normal size minnow. That other one were massive. Nobody even near. That were right down to here. And it was quite weighty as well. But another minnow. In he goes. Just crossed over the bridge and I've got a tiny little minnow again. Keep seeing that bigger fish jump. There you go, out with a full lobworm. Go on mate, there you go. The joys of fishing. Always one last cast. After seeing that big fish I don't want to go. Love to see what fish it there. There's always another day. I'm losing light and being bit with mosquitoes. Still trotting. No. A couple more minutes and that's me done. So I hope it gives a little insight into what I do when I get into a new river. Like I say, it's been hard work today, but that's why we call it fishing, not catching. Just get out there and try it yourselves, try and learn rivers, do your legwork, make sure you can get down, make sure it's safe. Obviously conditions change when weather changes and stuff, so just be careful while you're out here. I'm just watching fish now, jumping up for the flies. Unbelievable. Should have brought fly rod. So didn't manage to get that big fish. I think it was trout. I've noticed there's loads of crayfish down here. Absolutely loads of crayfish. And every time you put a bait on bottom, they're just devouring it. You get little taps on your rod. Next minute you're reeling it and crayfish is hanging on. So there's something to be done about crayfish down here. But
caught a few fish, that's what it's all about. So that's last knockings, I'm going back. Like I said, I've seen that bigger fish, I think it was trout, to be honest. Again, bits of element mosquitoes, and I've noticed there's loads of crayfish. Every swim I've been in, there's been crayfish attacking baits. It's been a nightmare, but it's one of them things, isn't it? So, managed to get that river, we're at it out for a few hours, learn a few more swims. Like I say, it's just coming out of flood, so it might have been better if the fish were maggot and whatever else. Try to feed her, had a go on feeder, met the feeder. Got a few knocks on it, that was about it. But there's plenty more swims on in the train. Every time I come down this way, just watching that fish come, it's just jumped again. Definitely a trout, I've just seen it. So yeah, look for fly. So I managed to get rid of some old bait that I've got, some old casters and stuff. So they've gone in. And if I get a couple of hours tomorrow, I might come down a couple of hours tomorrow, but if not, till next one. Take care all. Thank you ever so much. Take care.
So then, fishing buddies, it's the time you've all been waiting for. It's the 700 subscriber giveaway. We're joined by the beautiful Debs, and she's going to read you the names out, give you the number and read you the names out, and then we're going to spin it to win it.
Number 1, James Bruce Daggett. Number 2, Craig Tucker. 3, Lloyd Easton. 4, Richard Reeve. 5, Simon Dearden. 6, Rob, user BV6H29ZEZW. 7, Michael Sullivan. 8, Matt James 666. 9, David Ains. 10, LC Doc. 11, Agro and Carts Gaming. 12, Lee Tolley. 13, George Blenkin. 14, Paul Edwards. 15, David Etherington. 16, Anthony Wild. 17, Ethan Wood. 18, Kipper Trace. 19, Stoke-on-Trent Carp Angling. 20, UK Street Fishing. 21, Damo. And 22, Pete Harrison.
So, thank you for that, Deborah. So, before we spin the wheel, I'd like to say a massive thank you to everybody. This is a 700 subscriber giveaway. We've actually hit 900, so we're going to catch up with these prize giveaways. So it's all you guys. I want to thank everybody for all your support, and thanks to people like Kevin, Damo, other lads that go fishing with, Connor, and everybody else. If you want to come fishing with us, drop us a line on Facebook, on us New Beginnings Fishing on Facebook. Drop us a message on there, and we're more than glad to come out fishing with you. So I'm behind the camera. There you go. Good luck all, and gotta spin it to win it. Good luck to all. The big finger is coming, and it's time to spin it to win it. So the winner is number 10, and the main number 10. One Deborah. Number 10 is LC Doc. Congratulations, and we'll make sure that prize gets to you. So then, congratulations to LC Doc for winning the £30 prize draw. We'll make sure that prize gets to you. If you want to hit us up on Facebook, on his fishing group on Facebook, New Beginnings Fishing, please all don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As we've got a 800 subscriber giveaway and a 900 subscriber giveaway, and we've nearly hit goal 1,000 subscribers, and it's down to all you lot. So thank you very much for that. Just want to say thank you to everybody else. I keep saying thank you, and tight lines till next time. And if you want to join us on the bank, give us a shout. Take care all. Take care. So don't run away, guys. If you've enjoyed this video and you like some similar content, why not check out this one?